Hello students, welcome to our class. Today we are going to continue with lesson number 3, exercise D. Describe these places in India using the superlative form of the adjectives given next to each. Now this exercise you need to write in your classwork book. First answer is already given in your textbook. We'll start with the second one. St. Thomas Church in Palur, old. Now old is adjective here. So we need to write the superlative degree of all the adjectives given in all the questions. St. Thomas Church in Palur is the oldest church in India. Leh Airport in Ladakh, high. So Leh Airport in Ladakh is the highest airport in India. Mumbai, populous city. Populous means where you have more population, more number of people living. Mumbai is the most populous city in our country. Union Territory Lakshadweep, small. The Union Territory of Lakshadweep is the smallest Union Territory in India. Fazilka TV Tower in Punjab, tall. Fazilka TV Tower in Punjab is the tallest TV tower in India. Howrah Bridge in Kolkata, busy. Howrah Bridge in Kolkata is the busiest bridge in the world. Dras in Jammu and Kashmir, cold. Dras and Jammu and Kashmir is the coldest inhabited place in India. The city of Aizawl in Mizoram, literate. Literate means educated. The city of Aizawl in Mizoram is the most literate city in our country. Bhagirathi and Alaknanda river valleys, deep. Bhagirathi and Alaknanda river valleys are the deepest river valleys in India. Exercise E. Complete this dialogue using the correct form of the adjectives given in the brackets. Now this is the conversation between two people. Let us go to Apex Mall today. I would rather go to Fancy Mall as it is dash than Apex. Now here the comparison is between the Fancy Mall and the Apex Mall. So comparison between two means it is a comparative degree, and comparative degree of near is nearer. But isn't Fancy Mall more dash than Apex? Again comparative degree. So crowd, more crowded. No doubt it is the dash mall in our city, but it has dash parking facilities. Now here this mall is compared with the other malls in the city. So superlative degree, and superlative degree of crowded is most crowded. And again we have the comparative degree of parking facilities. So comparative degree of good is better. Don't you think Apex is dash than Fancy? Comparative degree of cheap is cheaper. I agree that Fancy is dash than Apex. Again comparative degree of cost is costlier. But it always has more discounts. So I find it less dash than Apex. Now here we can also, as we write more and most, we can also use less and least. So here we have used less expensive. You may decide, though I feel the quality of goods at Apex is better than that of Fancy. Here comparative degree of good is better. Dear brother, I know the real reason you find Apex dash because of the food court there. Here the comparative degree of interesting is more interesting. Dear sister, you could not be dash. The comparative degree of right is more right. Next exercise. Here are some precautions for the winter season. Rewrite them using the adjective form of the words in the brackets. Now they have given some words in the brackets. We have to find out the adjective form. Okay, and this also you have to write in your classwork book in full sentence. It is dash or to keep warm in winter. The word is importance, and the adjective form of importance is important. Eat lots of dash food to keep yourself yourself dash and dash. Adjective form of heat is hot, and act is active, and strong is strength is strong. It is essential to take dash food. Adjective form of nutrition is nutritious. Regularly eating dried foods and dash fruits is dash. Adjective form of season is seasonal, and health is healthy. Weight gain is dash if you can resist the dash snacks and dash delights. Adjective form of avoid is avoidable. Savor is savory, and chocolate is chocolatey. You may feel more dash during winter, so sleep enough. Adjective form of sleep is sleepy. Avoid dash situation and get dash amount of your sleep. Adjective form of stress is stressful, okay, and reason is reasonable, and day is daily. Remember, moisturizers are dash in avoiding and dash skin condition. Adjective form of help is helpful, and itch is itchy. So with this we complete our lesson number 3. Thank you.